All right, guys, it's Mikey, and we're back here for Mondays to do some maintenance tips. And I'm going to be showing you how to keep your engines nice and clean by checking out your air boxes. Today, I'm going to be showing you two different setups, one of which is going to be a cold air intake setup on this beautiful Mach 1 that we have. And I'm going to be showing you just a regular standard setup you can find on most of your vehicles. So for starters, come on over. We're going to take a look right here. This is your air box, okay? As you can tell, there's a giant filter here, and you can see could use a little bit of cleaning. There's a little bit of dust and stuff on there, and it leads directly into your intake, which helps your engine to breathe. So by keeping this area clean and keeping all this debris and stuff out of here, your engine's gonna breathe better, it's gonna last longer. On this stock setup, you can see right here, this is the intake for the box, and this is your throttle body going to the engine. This is the air box right here. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this open with two tabs. And Toyota being as easy as Toyota is, you just pull up and the filter comes right out. So you can pull your filter out, air box is nice and clean, check your filter, take all this gunk off, and you just put it back in. And Toyota is super nice and easy. You just put it under these little clips and you pop these up. So now you know how to check your air boxes and air filters at home.